Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how to install camera raw on Photoshop. So check this out. First, here we go, this website, this one. So I put the link in description box. Okay, then you scroll down and you can see this one, camera raw 15 1.1 installer, or this version. For example, I use my Mac OS, then I download the latest camera for Mac OS. I click this one. As you can see, there's no camera setting, right? Okay, you double click this file. Then double click again. Press continue, agree, then click install. Put your password. Okay, then we will wait until it finish. It just take a few minutes to install this file, right? Okay, then you need to quit Photoshop or restart your Photoshop. Okay, as you can see, there is no camera raw after we install it, so we need to quit our Photoshop or restart your Photoshop then. Okay, and now you can see there's a setting for camera filter. Okay, so that's it. Hope this tutorial can help you guys. If you got any question, please comment down below. Okay, bye bye.